Hello students, Sai Ram. Welcome back to our computer class. In the previous session, we have started with the chapter number 6, that is e-commerce and blogging. So we'll revise what is that e-commerce? E-commerce. E-commerce is also known as e-business, that is electronic business. It is a financial business transaction that occurs over an electronic network. Isn't it? That occurs over an electronic network. Now, today we'll see the topmost e-commerce website. As you're familiar with the Amazon.com, isn't it? Amazon is the top e-commerce website where we can do online shopping of any number of products. So, this Amazon was developed in late 1994 by Jeff Bezos. He invented that website and now it is familiar to everyone, and here they are reliable customers. And next is Flipkart. Flipkart is our Indian site, that is it was discovered by Bansal, that is Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal in 2007. It is also one of the top e-commerce site. And next, Snapdeal. Snapdeal, it was developed in 2010 by Kunal Bhai and Rohit Bansal. Here also we can see n number of products and billion customers and buyers and sellers. You can see. And Alibaba.com is also one of the most top e-commerce website. Here you can see a number of products. You can compare the prices. And this was developed by Jack Ma in the year 1999. So with these sites, you can compare the prices and you can see the reviews. If the reviews are good, then only you can do for shopping. Then you can shop any products. So this all we have known. Now today we are going to start a new topic, that is blogging. What is that blogging? Yes, you know about YouTube? Yes, what you doing in these two pandemics? Yes, what you have done? Many of have done the YouTube channels. They are updating the videos daily. They are updating the videos and posting that videos in the YouTube. There are many viewers can see, isn't it? There are many likes, isn't it? Same that, like that, blogging. You can also blog. You can also share your opinions, ideas. So blogging is an exciting and dynamic medium by which you can publish your ideas, opinions and stories online. It is a place to express your feelings to the world. It's a place to shape your thoughts and your passion. So what is that blog? Blog is a website that consists of frequently updated collection of information and entries. So in this website, you can add the informations. You can add your entries. So whichever entries that appear on the blog are called post, and which you are publishing that blog is called posting. Now I am a single person. Okay, daily I am posting some blogs. Okay, and so I am a blogger. So person who maintains many blogs is known as blogger. What is that biosphere? Biosphere is nothing but it refers to the worldwide connection of blogs. Okay, worldwide. It is the worldwide connection of blogs. What is that video blog? Video blog, that is a blog that contains video, is called video blog. Yeah, blog, video blog or vlog. Next, microblog. Microblog Microblog allows the users to publish short messages, usually between 100 to 200 characters, for others to read. Microblog is nothing but small notes, short messages. And macro means big. And now some of the main blog hosting services are, that is Blogger, www.blogger.com, Typepad, www.typepad.com, and Twitter, www.twitter.com. These are the main blog hosting services. Now we'll see what are the uses of these blogs. It is used in business, for teachers, at home. So anyone can use these blogs. It creates blogs to communicate with employees, customers, and vendors. They may post announcement of new information on the corporate blog. They can communicate with their employees, their customers, their vendors in business purpose. Sorry. For teachers, it creates blogs to collaborate with other teachers and students. And at home, users create blogs to share aspects of their personal views with the family and friends. So, these are the uses of blogs. Now, how to create a blog? For creating a blog, we use Blogger. So, that Blogger is a product of Google. So, now I'll show you the steps. First, you have to open www.blogger.com. You have to click this site and click on the sign in option, and you have to type the login ID and password of your Gmail account. Next, you have to click on the next button. Next, then you can create the new blog. I will show you how to create this blog. Now, you have to open the google.com and press www.blogger.com. Press enter key. Now you can see the Blogger site. This is the Blogger symbol. And now you have to click on the sign in option. When you click on the sign in option, choose an account. I am choosing my personal account. When you choose your personal account, you can see that we name it there. That is my ID, vijayalakshmiswamy@gmail.com. And you can see this logo. Now scroll down. You can see the choose a name for your blog. Now you have to give the name for your blog. Now I want to write health. Health as the name of my blog. Click on the next option. Yes, now this is important. Address. You have to write the address in such a way that it should be different. Now I'm typing Shrima here. Sorry, this blog address is not available. You should check that it should be available. Yes, now I'm writing Shrima family. Now this blog address is available. So you can choose this and remember this. shrimafamily.blogspot.com. You should remember this. This is the address of your blog. Okay, now click on the next option. Now you can display the name. How do you want your name should be displayed to the readers of your blog? Okay, now I want to write the name for the readers as health tips. Okay, yes, health tips. Okay, finish. Click on the option finish. Now I have created the name. Okay, I have created the name. The name is updated. Can you see the health over there? Yes, I have created the health. I created the health blog. In that blog, I didn't post anything. So to create a new post, you can click, but themes. What is this themes? If you want to apply some themes over that, you can click on the ready-made themes. or you can choose any from the Google. Now I am choosing this one. So what you will do? You have to click and you have to click on the apply. So the theme is applied successfully. So this theme is applied successfully. Now go back. Now you can add a new post to your health blog. Now first, before entering the message, there is a title. Can you see the title? Yes. So in this health, I want to write one blog. But what is that name of that blog? Yeah, I will write how to be comfortable along with work. Yes, this is the title of my post. How to be comfortable along with work, and I want to write something related to this topic, balancing work and home life. Okay, now there is a tick mark. Can you see the tick mark? Means it is done. So I can click on the preview post, means I can see that. Okay, otherwise I can save this post, and next, if it is done, everything is okay, click on the orange color arrow mark, that is publish. When you click on that publish, this will publish this post. Yes, this will be posted, it will be published. Yes, so you can see there, when you click on the main menu, you can see the health of the blog. In that health, there are the posts. Okay, these are the posts. In the health, these are the posts. When you click on the post, you can see how to be converted. Okay, same thing, this post can be edited. Now it is published on November 30. If you want, you can edit. If you want, you can delete. There are the options. You can delete this post, or you can apply the labels, or you can revert to draft. Okay, revert means what? If you want to edit something. Okay, you forgot something to write. So I will complete the sentence, and later, after finishing this, yes, now I will click on the save option, or I will click on the publish. This will publish this post at this time. You will receive the message. So in this blog, you can create, edit, and you can publish. Okay, now I have created one blog of health. In that health blog, I have created one post. Now I will show you how to create one more blog. Now I will create one more blog of family. Okay, now we have to write the address. It is important. Okay, so family is here. Sorry, this blog address is not available. Now I am using family of Shrima. Yes, now it is done. See us, family of Shrima school. Now I'll click on the save option, family of Shrima school.blogspot.com. This is the address that you should remember. Now I have created one more blog, family. In that family, I want to create a new post. So in the family title, I am putting family members as the title, and I am giving some message. Something message I am putting. Okay, no bother. Now I will click on the publish post. This will be published. Now we have created two blogs, family and health. In each we have created one post. Is it clear? Yes. So this we can delete or we can edit we can see that. And you can see the comments when you click on the post. When anyone puts the comment, you can see that. Okay. When you click on the post, you can see the messages, what you have done in the earlier days, what you have posted. You can see that. Now I want to delete that post. I have deleted that post. Okay, in the family, I have deleted that post. Now when you see the post, you will not see that. Otherwise, you can click on the view blog. View blog means our family. I have created one more family. In family, there is nothing, isn't it? This is the name of my blog. So now I'm showing you what is that health. We have created the health blog, isn't it? In that health blog, we have applied the theme, isn't it? Yes, I'll show you. Click on the health option. Click on the vblog option. Yes. The theme is applied over here. We have applied the theme, isn't it? So we are having the main heading is health tips. In that health tips, we have created the health blog. In the health blog, we have published one message. This is the message. So if you want to create a new post, you can create a new post. Okay. So whenever you wish, you can post a new thing, new message. So if you post a number, it will become the blogger. So this will be published. So now you can see one post over there in the health one. When you click on the view button, view blog, you can see, scroll down, you can see two messages. One is this one, how to be comfortable, and one more is this. Okay, I typed something else, isn't it? You can see that. Okay, so you can read more. When you click on this, you can see if there is any more information. If your friends visit this, they can give the comment. They can post a comment. They can click on the post a comment. Okay. Is it clear? Is it easy? Yes. Okay. So now that address I will show you. What is that address we have typed? www.familyofshrima. Isn't it? I told you to remember. familyofshrima.blogspot.com. When we enter this address, we will directly open that. Yes, family, isn't it? When you open that family, you can see that message. Okay, so this address, you should be knowing that address. So this address is important. Okay, yes, thank you. Now, next. So this you have to do at home. Practice it. Yeah. So now we are going to end this session. Bye.